Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your rights in the Bonjour RATP application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it and here you should click on My Right History. And here you will be able to see your rights. Now in my case I don't have any rights because I didn't really use this application for that purpose, and that is the reason why this page is empty for me. But if you have used this application at least once, you will be able to see here your right history. So pretty much this is where you find it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.